So what is MobileLink? MobileLink is a pipeline connector. It has been made specially for Maya users and to connect Maya with Blender and with Unreal Engine. Most of the time, Maya users want to transfer their work to Blender and Unreal Engine to start render there. I found some Maya users has to learn Blender from scratch to do that. You can transfer everything to Blender with MobileLink. This scene has some textures and some advanced material made with Arnold. We have a glass and we have subsurface scattering. We have geometry cache and we have the camera, light, everything is here. Now we want to transfer this scene entirely to Blender. So all what we need to do is just select all our work and go to MobileLink, open send to Blender, or just open it from here, from your shelf. So you can just make a replace, and as long as it has some animation, so you need to activate the animation data. And if you did your Maya work with centimeter, and for sure Blender use meters as a default parametric units inside Blender, so you need to adjust the scale to be 100. Click on send to Blender. Now all your scene has been transferred correctly inside Blender. So you don't need to learn Blender from scratch. You just need to transfer your scene from Maya inside Blender, and you will preserve all your animation, even your material, and your glass or your subsurface scattering material, your normal map, everything is there without any problem. And you can just render it successfully. If you want to adjust this animation, so all what you need that you will select the adjusted animation inside your scene in Maya. This time you have to switch the mode to update, not replace. So inside update, and you will preserve everything here and just send it, and you will see everything has been updated without any problem in just one click inside Blender. And if you wanted to add another new object for some reason inside Maya, you can just add it to remove the animation. If it's not, simply send it, everything will go to Blender without any problem. Start your render, continue your work inside Blender, and let's see how MobileLink work inside Unreal Engine. Inside Unreal Engine, open your project, and for the first time, you have to install the companion inside Unreal Engine for the first time and hit open. Unreal Engine will ask you to restart, so you restart. So first of all, I want to make a level. Let's name it save, then open. Back to Maya. Go to MobileLink, send to Unreal Engine. You can replace it as it's a clean level for now, waiting for the scene. Hit animation data, take care of your scale, and just send. The entire scene has been transferred inside Unreal Engine successfully without any problem. And let's jump to the camera, see what we have, and go to our folder. Inside content, we will see MobileLink folder here. Inside this one, we will see a folder with the exact same name of the level, and inside it live the sequencer. So everything will be exactly like what you left inside Maya. So let's now test the material. We have a real glass here. We can manipulate it if we wanted. And also we have subsurface scattering. And we have our geometry cache working fine. Blend shape, geometry cache, and the cloth, everything will transfer correctly here. Now let's adjust the animation if we want it. So let's select this one and add some animation for it, and adjusting this one too. And let's say that we want to transfer the Sky Dome too. So for that, you need to the HDRI inside Unreal Engine has to receive HDR file, not EXR. So make sure that you put in your input HDR file. Now let's select everything, and this time we'll make it update. Make sure the animation is there, and let's send. So as you can see, the HDRI arrived and all our animation has been updated. And even this hat, which was without any keys at the first send, but now when we adjusted it and updated it, we synced it successfully. So what if we want to make another level? So you can create another level. This time we will name it with another thing, save. Open your level, go to Maya, and let's say that we want to transfer all this museum inside Unreal Engine. Go to Unreal, don't make it replace, make it update, animation, scale. I don't need the scale this time because it's already in the meter. So send. Everything came inside as before. Go to Mably link folder and the folder of the museum, and you will see your sequencer there. Everything here like what you left inside Maya. Your pivot is exactly in your Maya scene, and even your lights. This light with a color. So this one is red, this one is green. Here is the red one, and here is the green one. All your lights has been came without any problem, and you can add and you can adjust the animation smoothly. Everything will be updated inside Unreal Engine. So what about character? How Mably Link will handle it inside Blender or inside Unreal Engine? So we have this character here. This character has some blend shapes and has this animation. We want to transfer all the scene inside Unreal Engine. So as before, we have to make a new level first, save it, then open it. Now inside Maya, select everything you want to transfer. Open Mably link, send to Unreal. Make it update. So you don't want to replace. Replace will replace all your project there. Make it update. Make sure animation data and your scale. And you fine to go. We can add light just to see what we have. And as before, you have inside Mably link, you have your level here. Inside it, you have your sequencer. Work fine. So let's say that we want to make some adjustment to this character. Let's check. As you can see, everything working smoothly and just fine. So let's see how can we transfer the character inside Blender 2. So let's say we have the same character and we want to transfer it. Inside Mably Link, you will open Send to Blender again. Make everything as before. Our character has been come to Blender without any problem. All what we need now, just start put some light and render it smoothly without any problem. Before ending this video, I want to reveal the three options we currently have in this plugin, and they are free and will be free forever in both versions, the free one and the pro one, which is import GLB GLTF, export to GLB, exporting to GLTF, and convert to voxel. Let's begin with export to GLB. Mably Link now exported to your document. So inside your document folder, you will find a folder named Mably Link, and inside it another folder which is packages. Inside packages, you will find all your files. So here is the file we just exported. It's export with compression too, because the original files, it's 67 megabyte, but the GLB file we just exported is just about 7 kilobyte. So now let's test this one here, and as you can see, everything has exported cleanly without any problem. So now let's exporting the GLTF. It will live inside the same folder too, but as GLTF always exporting multi files, so it will be contained in a folder inside packages. So now let's test them too. So everything will be exported and read without any problem, and for sure we can import both of them if we wanted from here. Import GLB GLTF. So inside the same folder we can find, and also if we wanted to import the GLTF one, we can find it too, and it will be imported inside Maya without any problem. So finally, if we want to convert any model to voxel model, we can convert to voxel. Choose your resolution. So let's say 32 for now, and convert to voxel. The new voxel has been created here. Your original one will be hidden. So if you press H, you will find it still there if you need it. And this one can be open in Magica Voxel and can be sent to Blender too. And it will live in the same folder here. Here it is. So if you want to open it in Magica Voxel, you will see it without any problem here. If you want to send it to Blender, everything will be smooth. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you want to support, you will find the both versions, the pro one and the free one, in the links below this video. There is a lot more, and there is a lot of development will be added for the plugin in the near future. So until then, bye bye.